If you're a lash artist, there's some accessories for your ring light that you might find useful.
For lashing purposes, the ring light itself gives ideal brightness, but if it's too bright for you, you can add filters to soften it.
It's really easy to attach and detach. You have a choice to use only 1 or 2 pieces or all 4.
If you want us to compare the filter color options for lash photography, give us a thumbs up.
We really like how we can just attach device mounts onto the ring light itself. They have different mounts for whatever device you use, like your smartphone, GoPro, or even DSLR cameras.
This is actually how I like to record time-lapse videos while I'm lashing.
These Bluetooth controllers are super convenient, especially when I want to take photos or videos with both my hands in it or of myself.
I really recommend finding a ring light that has a carrying bag included to safely carry it from home or to work. I can fit the ring light accessories and even my other lash necessities like tweezers, tapes, and lash trays.